Hello everybody. In this video, I'm going to solve this problem days of week using umpire technique. So let's get started. I'm going to first copy paste the problem description into my code editor. So I have it already set up. So I'm gonna paste it. Okay. And let's first figure out what's given to us. Okay. So days of the numbers are given. So let's say given. So it's a sort of a format base of numbers. And there's more things given. So days of the year is numbered from 1 to 365 and that day is given. Okay. So day number is given. And also the year starts in January. So that also given. Okay. Started the year Thursday. All right. So the expectation, the output basically return print. Okay. Print the day of week. Okay. Day of week of basically of day number. Okay. All right. So let me first start off with writing day numbers. Day, I'm going to shorten it to number. Okay. Equals 1. So start with 1, 2, likewise. I'm going to use 2 tabs and 3 likewise. So I'm going to copy it from, I already have it here, so I'm going to copy it from here to save time. Okay. All right. So let's get also in here the day of the days. Okay. So that's also, I have it over here. Okay. So I'm going to take that over here. Okay. All right. So let's first analyze what we have over here in this pattern. Okay. So, and you can see that this pattern repeats from 0 to 6 are the days numbers and it repeats. So we start off with 0 and go all the way 7 days until to day 6. Okay. And you can see that this pattern repeats. Okay. Basically, every week after week, days repeat, right? So that's the idea. So now that is a clue that in this problem, we're gonna have to use the remainder of something division by 7. Okay, so basically the mod operation. Okay, all right. So let's keep that in mind and let's try to make a connection from this number to this number. So I'm going to start over here with number 4. Okay. All right. So, all right. So let's try to generate this number out of this. Okay. All right. So let's see how we can do this. For okay, I'm gonna add +3. Okay. Now let's take the mode value by 7. That's actually equals to 0, right? So we have 7 here. 7 mod 7 is 0. Now let's see if we can carry it forward to this, because we need to find a common relationship between this and this. Okay. So basically, given this, we need to come up with this. Okay. So we need to first find the mapping between. So can we move this same pattern to this? So I have this number 5, 5 plus 3, and mod 7 is 1. Okay. So that also seems to work. Okay. Okay. And we can see that the same pattern repeats with rest of the characters too. So 6 plus 3 mod 7 is 2. Okay. So, and if you go to all the way to number 6, basically, and we have 10 plus 3 mod 7 is actually 6. 13 mod 7 is 6. Okay. All right. Seems like our pattern is working, and we now have a, a formula to generate this these days given these day numbers. Okay. So what are the matches? We already found that. Okay. So mod operation. Okay. That's one match. Okay. So anything you can count from your previous questions, like um, reversing digits, um, sum of digits, those are also examples. Okay. All right. So let's now write our algorithm. Okay. So first we need to get our input. Okay. So input the day. I'm going to be expressive now over here. The number. Okay. And that's my step 1. Okay. And step 2 is basically for print this. So day number plus 3 mod 7. All right. So let's write our code now. Input, and these are numbers, so we need to use int. Okay. Remember we had a bug in our previous video. So that's our day number. So okay, and then print this. Okay. All right. Print. All right. All right. So let's run this. So I'm gonna run it over here first. Okay. So it's expecting me an input. So I'm gonna give. Let's try day 10. I'm expecting 6. 10. I got 6. And in our first example, it's 365. Let's try that. So So run it again. 365 got 4, and that is the expectation. So there you go. So let's try now submitting this. Okay, so I'm going to copy paste this code over here, paste, code check. Right, so all the tests passed. All right, so there you go, solving days of week problem using umpire technique. Now I want you guys to stretch your thinking a little bit. Now this is given the fact that the year started with Thursday. Now, how do we generalize this to any day? Think about it. And you have to give your opinion at the end of this video.